Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. This is part 2 in our tutorials on record ownership and building organizational hierarchies in LeadMaster. Let's start with the recap of video 1. Let's go to Recent Items and pull up the record we looked at last time, Hamilton and Hughes. On this record, you'll notice the 4 levels of record ownership and hierarchy. The group is the Atlantic team. The account manager is Bob Decker. The partner is Advanced Systems, and the partner rep is Bob Smith. This tells us that based on logon security privileges, we have 4 unique people in the company hierarchy who have access to this record. Now let's discuss how you can create this type of hierarchy. Click on the Admin menu. In the Company Hierarchy and Assignment section, you'll notice Group, Account Manager, Partner, and Partner Rep. You can easily customize these names, so you might choose region instead of group. By clicking on each of these categories, you will be able to create your hierarchy. It's important to start at the top with groups, then move down to account manager. The reason is because the account managers will need to be associated with the group. The same is true for partners and partner reps. So let's get started. When you select View, Edit Group, you will see a list of all contacts associated with these groups. In this example, you'll have 2 contacts, Paul Race and Mark Langley. These are territory or sales managers for the 2 regions, Atlantic and Gulf. If you click on the edit link associated with Paul Race, it will take you to his contact information. Here you can see the group he is associated with, as well as his contact information, first name, last name, phone number, email, etc. Additionally, you will see Has Logon, and it's marked No. For this demonstration, Paul Race was not set up as a user who would actually log into the system. This is perfectly all right, as there are times when individuals need to show up as part of an organizational hierarchy, but do not need to log on to LeadMaster. This allows you to run key marketing and sales reports segmented by groups, sales managers, sales reps, etc. As a practice, you should create all hierarchical accounts first, then create their logins. We'll cover creating logins in another video. Let's take a look at the Account Manager section. Here, you can see a list of all the account managers and their associated groups. If you edit Bob Decker, you'll see a view similar to the group level, with 2 very important differences. Below Has Logon, you'll see a Can View, Update Assign Records with Yes and No radio buttons. And below ID, you'll see Express Email with Yes and No radio buttons as well. These options only appear if the account manager is not set up to actually log on to the system. By selecting Yes for Can View Update Assign Records, this person becomes what we call a Lead Express user, someone who can receive and update records via email, but does not have an actual logon into the system. This person can also be notified via their email whenever a record is assigned to them if you select Yes for Express Email. Adding contacts as groups, sales managers, and account managers is easy. If you want to add an account manager one by one, just click Add button at the top of the page. From here, you will associate this contact from the appropriate organization and enter the rest of their information. If you have more than a couple account managers to enter, you can use the import feature. Finally, if you need additional levels, you can create the partner and partner rep hierarchy the same exact way as you created the group account and the account manager. This concludes the tutorial on building organizational hierarchies and record ownership in LeadMaster. Thanks for watching.